Hi, my name is Pramudhio Fajriand. I'm from English Class A. My student ID is 191-095-2042. Today I will present you a topic about Industry 4.0. Me personally heard this term, if I'm not mistaken, in one of the articles. The article I read is talk about prediction of an industrial model for the future, where everything will be connected to network system. Okay. First, we will talk about definition. What is the definition of Industry 4.0? Industry 4.0 is a term to describe a change or revolution in the industrial sector that occurs on a large scale. As the name implies, it is the first grouping from previous industrial revolution, where an Industry 4.0 marked by the application of the Internet of Things or IoT. IT itself means a system that connected to the Internet, so Industry 4.0 does not rely on computer technology and automation, but computer technology and automation that synchronize to the Internet or connected to each other in a cloud system. But what is the Industrial Revolution before looks like? Before the Internet, Industrial 4.0, we have Industrial Revolution 1.0 in early 1800s. It was marked by transition of hand production to the start of the steam engine technology. Next, we have Technology 2.0 in late 1800 to early 1900. It was marked by the start of the use of electronic and mass production. Then Industry 3.0 in 1940 until 1950. It was marked by the start of computer technology and automation. Then, of course, the Industry 4.0 that began in 1990 until today. Uh, what is the application of the 4.0 industry? In the world, the IoT have been many applications from Industry 4.0. One of them is smart factories. Here we emphasize on automation that connected to IoT. An input for maintenance can be done with sensor technology. It doesn't it doesn't take a lot of people to do the job. We also find this technology in daily life, such as parking sensor, security system in the homes or in the bank. Smart sensor technology industry can be found in agricultural technology, where the sensor can monitor the state of temperature, humidity, radiation potential, events of light, and so on. The data from the sensor is utilized by the automation in order to provide optimal results. For example, if the humidity on the sensor is low, the data from the sensor is used to turn the water motor so that humidity can be maintained. But what about Indonesia? For Indonesia itself, the implementation of Industry 4.0 is not optimal yet. For example, in the application of eKTP cards, when the word E in eKTP itself means electronic, but I personally don't understand the application of electronic to this eKTP. When I need to take care of something that will need ID card, I still have to do it manually, input the data by yourself, and still need photocopy of the ID card. In my opinion, Industry 4.0 must be implemented optimally in Indonesia because the Indonesian bureaucracy, which was previously take a long path, will be need will be more concise and will not take a long time if the Indonesian government implies the interconnected data using this ID card. So to we have the conclusion. The conclusion is we, as the student who will be the success of this government, must realize the importance of Industry 4.0 and prepare ourselves to be able to apply the code of Industry 4.0. As we know, the Industry 4.0 is closely related to IoT, so the skill that we need to prepare is internet-related skills such as computer programming language, system network, IoT-based electronic, and something like that. This is the end of my presentation, and thank you for your attention.